After a historic judgment which can set the way for the anti-defection law and in fact the politics in the country, I have with me Sena advocate Mahesh Jethmalani with me, who had represented the Eknath Shinde faction in the Maharashtra case. Sir, a very peculiar judgment coming in from the Supreme Court. However, certain questions were raised when the actions of the governor and the speaker. What do you have to say about that?
Well, as far as the governor is concerned, I respectfully disagree with the Supreme Court. But the matter is of no real relevance, right? Because the floor test which the governor held on the basis of his view that the Uddhav Thackeray government had lost its majority, right? That was never faced by Uddhav Thackeray. So it really is an irrelevant issue. But the whole judgment could have been decided on the ground, as it ultimately was, in effect, that you cannot reinstate a chief minister as they wanted, who had voluntarily resigned. It was a short ground, and that would have been the end of the matter. But I suppose the Supreme Court wanted to tighten up certain areas of the law, make it more clear, make it more beneficial, and serve the purpose of the 10th schedule. So they have expanded on certain other issues, and that's fine. On the governor's issue, I disagree. I think there was enough material. Everybody in Maharashtra knows there was enough material, that there was simmering discontent from the day that the pre-poll alliance was broken by Uddhav Thackeray for the post of chief minister. There was discontentment within the Shiv Sena party. There had been an alliance with the BJP, so there was no question of anybody toppling a government. They came to the BJP because we were natural allies for a long time.
So, another issue that came up in this judgment was with regards to a direction that was given to the current speaker, that the validity of the whip has to be seen. What is this particular direction, if you could explain to our viewers, and how does it affect the current political scenario?
No, see, the question is, does the chief whip, is he to be appointed by the legislative wing of the party or the political party, maybe the organization? More specifically, whether it is the constitution that mandates who will be the, you have to, so in sum and substance, since parties are governed by a constitution, right? What does the constitution say about the whip? Look at that and then decide who is the correct chief whip, the legitimate chief whip. Is it the Eknath Shinde's chief whip, or is it the the Uddhav Thackeray's faction's chief whip? And Supreme Court has laid down guidelines as to how to go about it. And ultimately, it's a look at the constitution and the numbers. That's all. There are two factors.
But would it affect the current political scenario in the state of Maharashtra?
Well, Uddhav Thackeray seems to think so, but I don't share his optimism.